would you lean in to any of this discussion? You can hear it on the 911 calls. Law enforcement wasn't showing up. Realize this is Georgia. Traffic can be a nightmare. 20 minutes, no law enforcement, no ambulance. Could you, as defense counsel, lean into that and say, if someone had come to the scene, if law enforcement had come to the scene, if an ambulance, let's just be honest, we wouldn't be in this situation.
You know, there you go. He should have you as her defense attorney. You know what you're talking about. That's actually a great defense. You asked me earlier what would I do. I should have said what you just said. I mean, there you go. That's an example of, and that's why you were such a phenomenal, attorney. That would be a great defense. I mean, we have to hear from them and from her, right? Because if that's their defense, then she becomes very relevant on the stand, because she could say, I was standing there, I was trying to care for him, I held him in my arms, I was holding his hands, I realized that he was in a diabetic shock in an instant. I realized that I was trying to help him. He told me to look for his medication, I was looking for it, and when I looked for it, he reached for my gun. Maybe he thought it was his medicine. I didn't know. I panicked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could see how the whole thing, you can see how scienter can be, criminal intent can be broken down. All roads lead through her, no pun intended. So yeah, that would be a great potential defense. Good job. Thank you.